In today's lesson, I'm going to show you the chords to Blue Bossa and also do some harmonic analysis so you can find out what's going on harmonically, which will help you solo over it effectively. One of the easiest songs to be found in the real book, this song is often called at jam sessions due to its easy 16-bar form and relatively easy chord changes to solo over. Written by Kenny Dorham, a trumpeter in 1963, this song is from the Bossa Nova tradition. If you need help with actually how to play the bossa rhythm, then I've made a video on that recently. I'll put a card on the screen or check the description below for that. Here are the chord shapes that you need to play this standard. We're going to have C minor in two places. We've got it E string, fret 8, and A string, fret 3. We've got F minor 7, fret 8, A string root, D minor 7 flat 5 with the root on the A string, G7 sharp 5 with the root on the E string, and then further in the song we've got E flat minor 7 root A string, A flat 7 root E string, D flat major 7 root A string. And that's all the chords we're going to use in the song and all of the shapes. I'll talk them through as we go. So we've got C minor 7 to F minor 7, D minor 7 flat 5, G7 sharp 5, C minor 7, E flat minor 7, A flat 7, D flat major 7, D minor 7 flat 5, G7 sharp 5, C minor 7, then the D minor 7 flat 5, quickly followed by the G7 sharp 5. So harmonically what we've got going on is in bars 1 and 2, C minor 7, which is chord 1, to chord 4, F minor 7 in bar 3. So we've got chord 1 to chord 4. Then in the second line we've got a minor 2 5 1. D minor 7 flat 5 in the key of C minor is 2, and G7 will be chord 5. We're going to play it as a sharp 5 just to give it a little bit extra tension. So 2, 5, 1. Put the first two lines together. We've got chord 1, C minor, 2 bars. F minor 7, chord 4, 2 bars. Then the 2 5. Here 2, 5, 1. Listen to that sense of resolution at the after the 5 when we go to the 1. You know, that's when you hear the chord progression resolve back to chord 1. Line 3, E flat minor 7, A flat 7, 2 bars of D flat major 7. If you played enough jazz, you'll have come across before minor 7, dominant 7th, major 7 as a progression. Now if it's moving in fourths like it is here, then it's a 2-5-1, and it's a 2-5-1 in the key of D flat major, the chord we finish on. So 2, E flat minor 7, A flat 7 is 5, D flat major 7 is 1. Let's put lines 1, 2 and 3 together and listen how uplifting it is when we go to that E flat minor 7 and change key briefly. It really changes the feel and mood of the song. So here. That's the first 3 lines. Then line 4, we've got another minor 2 5 1 in the key of C minor, and then a quick 2-5 at the end, which sets us back to the start of the song to start again. Important takeaways from this lesson and from your own learning when you're approaching learning songs is to look for structures, chord structures that repeat between songs. And there's two or three in this song really. There's the major 2-5-1, which happens in line 3. The E flat minor 7, A flat 7, D flat major 7. You will see that time and time again. And mainly you'll see it in songs in a major key, but it does happen, as in this instance, in a minor key also. And then the second other obvious progression is the minor 2-5-1. So if you've got a song in a minor key, and it's not exclusive to a minor key, but the minor 2-5-1 is a really common way to get back to chord 1. And finally, you know, that opening line of the piece, you know, moving chord 1 to chord 4. I mean, where do we get that from? We get it from the blues. Well, that brings today's video to a close. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and checking out my content. If you've enjoyed it, please consider subscribing by clicking up here. Or if you'd like to check out another of my videos, do so by clicking up here. See you again soon.